Your website interaction depends on the correct display of multimedia files and the right place to view and download necessary files. So, finding a tool that can provide you precisely that will make a big difference in increasing customer experience in your site. In today's video, we will show you Elfsight, a SaaS platform with an extensive package of solutions, allowing small businesses to design online storefronts and enhance e-commerce websites with widgets and deep integration options. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. You will be able to customize the before-after widget to your liking. The user interface is highly customizable. You can modify the slide's orientation, the kind and size of the divider, and the colors of the most critical widget sections. You can make the divider move when the mouse hovers over for added user convenience. The widget is available in two layouts, vertical and sliding. Any organization can use Elfsight to present visual materials in the best way possible. With the photo gallery widget, you can highlight your items, your establishment's interior design, and your high level of service. You can style the photo widget to fit your needs. For example, colorize or upload a custom image as a backdrop. Choose an overlay color and an on-hover effect. Then customize your pop-up's text and color. Everything you need to exhibit your work beautifully is in the Elfsight portfolio widget. You can categorize it, show clickable project cards that open in the pop-up to reveal the result. You can display your best work in the portfolio gallery. Images, descriptions, and more information about each project can be seen in a pop-up window. In addition, you can go into great detail about what you've done and how you did it, including photos and videos, to entice potential customers to buy your products. It is easy to add a slide to your website with the Elfsight slider widget, which is responsive. Discount banners are a great way to promote your sales, but you can also use them to highlight your best or most famous offers, show off your company through photos or video slideshows, or demonstrate how to use a product. An attractive feature can be created by using the full screen background color or by adding titles, texts, badges, and buttons. With the Elfsight File Viewer widget, you can easily and quickly add any popular file type to your website. Embed PDF, Docs, XLSX, and JPEG files. Your users can contribute files by directly uploading them, entering their URLs, or choosing from the most recent uploads. The widget's interface allows you to customize it to your individual needs. For example, you can change font sizes, colors of 6 interface elements, and the widget title. The Elfsight PDF widget lets you upload PDF files to your website effortlessly, allowing people to see and download files live. You can upload files, use file URLs, or pick files from the most recent upload. In addition, you can give each file a unique name that will appear next to the file icon on the page. This widget includes many interface choices to enable you to create a unique and appealing widget for your website. For example, you can alter the font size of the widget title, file name and download label, and write your widget title. Did you see all the options available to create amazing websites using this platform? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Elfsight services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel, so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other great features this platform has for you. You can create a menu for your fine dining restaurant, healthy gastropub, or lovely cafeteria. You can build one-page lists or menus with multiple meals on each page. Simply choose the finest alternatives and design a magnificent menu with photos, prices, descriptions, nutritional information, and more. It's easy to update the widget as often as you want, choosing terms to describe your cuisine in a clear, understanding manner. Given the current scenario, everyone must be informed. Unfortunately, misleading information about transmission is often shared during new infection outbreaks. This tool displays the global and country-level coronavirus cases. All must understand the COVID-19 situation correctly. So the platform allows any language and numerical format. You can create a feature that informs everyone about global events and threats. You can notify website visitors of the weather everywhere in the world. The platform allows you to see the exact forecast for any place, whether your house or a distant tourist attraction. It only takes a few keystrokes to get the widget to work. Choose your language and temperature unit to receive the most user-friendly weather widget. It's easy to make your weather widget match your website's leading design and color style. Businesses advertise job openings on job search engines like Jewel, LinkedIn, and Craigslist. A new post should be announced on your company's website. Elfsight Job Board allows you to promote your firm, post job openings, and receive resumes. You can create a job card with an apply button with the widget. You can hide or show information about your company, employment, and skills. The Elfsight Team plugin makes it easy to showcase your team online. You can provide thorough contact information and links to each individual you introduce to social media accounts. The plugin allows you to group team members. You can create groups based on your business organization or departments and assign them. There are 2 ways to display groups: as a list or by the filter. The Elfsight Google Maps widget allows you to add markers and display full details in their info windows, such as phone, address, and operating hours. You can also group all of your locations to make the location panel more user-friendly. The Google Maps widget lets you connect to and use your locations easily. You can use the library of over 50 categories with icons to add locations to the map. So visitors to your website will be able to see the best path to your site straight on the page. Statistics help you shape your business strategy and track audience engagement. Using the widget requires no advanced metrics services or coding knowledge. Simply embed it and explore your data in style. You can always brag about your progress or an ambitious start on your site if needed. This handy and wonderful widget can be made without additional knowledge, money, or effort. Instead, you can take advantage of the enticing options provided with Elfsight's dynamic editor. Create amazing websites and online stores using Elfsight by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.